How to fix Git is not recognized error in Visual Studio Code. So first you will need to make sure that you have Git installed. And in order to check, you'll need to right click on the start button, open up the Windows PowerShell or CMD or terminal, and then type in the command git. And if you see a response like this showing you the usage of Git, that means it's already installed. If you see an error or unrecognized command, that means you don't have Git, so you'll need to open up your browser and then search for Git, only Git, not GitHub, and then click on the first link. Now you will need to download Git by clicking on download for Windows, which is right here, and then click on Git for Windows 64 setup, and then basically download the file and run the installer. Now once you run the installer and follow the steps and finish installing Git, you will need to basically come back to the CMD and open it again. And then this time you will need to type git space hyphen hyphen and then version and press enter. Now if it shows you a version like this, it means that Git is set up and it's ready to use. If you still see an error, you will need to do the following steps to add an environment variable. By clicking on the start menu, search for environment, and then click on edit the system environment variables, then click on environment variables. Now you will need to double click on path under user variables, double click on it, and it should open up a window. Add a new entry by clicking the new button, and then you will need to paste the following path, which is the path to Git. So after you install it, you should find it in your drive, program files, Git, and then CMD. Now copy this path and paste it in the new entry right here. And then you will also need to add another new entry. So I'm going to press OK. And then to add the new entry, you will need to go back and go inside the bin folder, copy this path, go back here, double click on path again and add the new entry. And then click on OK. Now click on OK again. And now you should just restart your computer. And once you open up your command line or VSCode command line by opening VSCode like this. If you go to the terminal by clicking new terminal, and in here when you type git space dash dash version and press enter, it should work and show you the Git version like you see it right here. Similar thing for the command line or PowerShell. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.